To begin by making a chain, what you will need to do is first get comfortable with how you hold the crochet hook and the yarn. You are going to need to have some form of tension. If you do any type of sewing, you'll know that you can change the tension on your sewing machine. Just so, you also need to be able to regulate the tension that you have with the long piece of yarn coming from the skein. So normally when I hold it, I have it so that it's around at least one finger. You'll notice that it's over these 3 fingers and just around my pointer finger. And I kind of hold it in between these two in order to regulate the tension. That way it can slide gradually, but it can also be easy and you have enough distance to be able to work. From the other side, you can hold it either like a pencil, like this, or you can hold it like you would a fork. Those are the 2 main ways to hold a crochet hook, and ultimately the decision is up to you. I encourage you to try both ways and see what you're most comfortable with. The general rule, however, is that you need to make sure that you try something consistently enough for about 15 to 20 minutes in order to see whether or not you're comfortable with it. Don't switch back and forth too many times while you're attempting. I recommend that you make an attempt first, just trying something for about 15 minutes, and then again for about 20 more minutes. When you're making a chain, all you're going to do is loop around and pull through your loop. Loop around once again and pull through. You may need to move your hand so that you're closer to the hook in order to make sure that you're not losing some of your tension as well. Loop around and pull through. You're going to repeat this 61 times. I'm going to bring over our pattern here in front, which I have written down for a Linus blanket project. And what we are going to do is have 60 stitches across with a K hook. I wrote down the letter K there. You always need to add 1 more, however. So 60 plus 1. That's the beginning part of our blanket project.